Hey everybody, this is Jill for today. Thank you for coming into my kitchen. Well, it's the end of summer. Lots and lots of zucchini out there growing in your garden. Sometimes it's frightful how many are out there. I am making a zucchini walnut muffin today. It's vegan, delicious. Let's get started. We are going to start with the dry ingredients. This is some unbleached flour, and to that I am adding cinnamon, nutmeg, some salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt. Right. Wanted to make sure I said all that correctly. I'm putting that in, and we're going to just make sure that it's very well dispersed through that flour. No little pockets. All those spices and all those goodies get all well mixed. And I think that looks pretty nice. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to bring in a bowl that's going to take care of our wet ingredients. What I have in here is some brown sugar, and as you can see, I packed that into the measuring cup. That's how you measure brown sugar. You pack it in. And I'm going to add now a half a cup of applesauce. This is unsweetened, and I like to buy, for baking, I like to buy the cups. They are a convenience, but they're awfully good because they're just always about the right size. So I'm going to put in that, and then I've got some soy milk. You can use any plant-based milk you like, but generally I use the unflavored, unsweetened soy milk. Put that in. And then we're going to put in a little apple cider vinegar. This is going to work with the baking powder and the baking soda to create all those wonderful little bubbles that are going to raise that muffin batter up so it's fluffy. And then I'm going to add some vanilla. And we're going to add just about a tablespoon. Okay, there we are. A little vanilla there. And I'm going to give this a good mix. And once I have this all mixed, I'll bring you back. So we have this all mixed up. And I don't know whether you noticed or not, I didn't put any oil in that. How about that? So now I'm going to combine that with the dry and mix that up just until I almost get it mixed, because I'm going to add the zucchini and the walnuts. So I'm just going to leave it right there. Now what I have here is some zucchini, which I grated, on a box grater, and then I wrung it out really good to get most of that moisture out of there. So we're going to put that in. And then I have some beautiful walnuts I'm going to pull that I've chopped. You can see, put those in. And I'm just going to mix this now. Let me get that out of my way. There. I'm going to mix this to make sure that we get, of course, all of it mixed thoroughly through there, but I don't want to just beat and beat and beat it, because that is the demise of quick breads, is when you sit there and just beat them too much. Now I still have a little flour down there, as you see, and I'm just going to work that in there. And I think we're going to stop right there. I don't see any flour down there, and there's no more white. So this is great. I'm going to bring in my muffin tin, and we're going to serve this up into the little muffin cups. So before we start putting it in the muffin cups, I wanted to show you that. Doesn't that look nice? And here are my muffin cups. Now I know I've told people who watch my videos about these silicone cups, but really nothing ever sticks in them. They pop right out. So I'm going to scoop this. My large scoop finally died, so I'm just going to do 2 scoops per muffin cup there. I have my oven set at 350 degrees, and the rack is, just pretty much in the center. So as soon as I've got these all filled up, I'll bring it back. Here we go. I've got a dozen nice. This one came out just a little tiny bit too short on dough, but I think it will be just fine. So I'm going to put this into my preheated 350 degree oven, and they're going to bake, probably 18 to 20 minutes, and I will check on them at about 18 minutes. Do the toothpick test where you take a toothpick, stick it in the thickest part of the muffin. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. If it's kind of doughy, you put them back in for maybe 2 minutes and check them again, and eventually you'll get that nice, dry texture of your muffin. And once we are ready to show you them baked off, we'll be back. This is neat. We haven't done a video for a while.
I know, but I'm here to do what I do best.
But it's fall. I get so inspired in fall. Okay, this is that zucchini nut bread / muffin that I've done. So go ahead. Tell me what you think.
I think it's got a lot of zucchini in it.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? It really is very pretty. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, it smells good.
So good.
You can smell the cinnamon.
Mm-hmm. Lots of nuts.
Very moist.
There's that zucchini in there.
That's good.
Oh, that's delicious, isn't it? No oil. No oil. Yeah, that is divine. You like that?
Who knew that eating vegetables could be so good?
Who knew? And at the end of summer, when these people have all this zucchini out there, they're going to be real happy they found this recipe. All right. Are we done here?
Not me, but I will be soon.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, because the algorithms in the YouTube world love thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out all the different muffins and cookies and breads that I have in the Jill for Today library. Take care. Algorithms.
Such a big word.
Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.